All right, I am going to do problem number 15, part B. I think A should be pretty self-explanatory. You got propionate, propionic acid. You have the acid. Um, you have the conjugate base. I'm going to go to B because it's a little weirder because we have trimethylamine. That's a base. And trimethylammonium chloride, that's basically the acid. So we have a base. And my brush isn't working. Oh, there it is. Base plus water. And that looks terrible, but it's okay. BH plus, and hydroxide. All right, so on all these problems, like if it's a base, I just write B. And if it's an acid, I write HA. I just do the generic stuff. It's a lot easier. So, and my trimethylamine, that's my base. So I'm going to do an ice table. So trimethylamine, I started off with 0.075. 0.075 molar. The trimethyl ammonium chloride, right? That was, what were you? You were 0.10. Ooh, 0.10. This was 0. All right. All right. The base is going to go down by x. The stuff over here, this is going to go up by x. This is going to go up by x. And can I ignore x? Is x really small? Yes, x is really small. And I know that because when I go to the back of the book and I look up a KB, it says that KB for trimethylamine is 6.4 times 10 to the minus 5. All right, so 0.075 minus x is still basically 0.075. Switch over to a different color. 0.075. My 0.1 plus x is still basically 0.1. And then 0 plus x, that's going to be the x. So I'm going to do all that. I'm going to set up my KB expression. So KB is going to be the BH plus times OH minus divided by the base concentration. So I'm going to put in the actual numbers though. So 0.1, that's x. This is all over 0.7, oops, sorry, 0.075. All right, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that in my calculator, and actually, I'm going to erase this top bit because space is limited. I got not a lot of room to write here. Bang. All right, so when I solve for x, I get that x equals, get a pen that works on here. Pen. All right, so x equals math. 4.8 times 10 minus 5. 0.8 times 10 to the minus 5. Now x, because this was base, this was actually the hydroxide concentration. So if I take the negative log of 4.8 times 10 to the minus 5, I get the POH. All right, so the POH is 4.32. If I subtract that from 14, I get the pH, and the pH is 9.68. And that's the answer to it. So in all these problems, you're trying to get the pH. Cool. Hopefully this will help you a smudge.